Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make white chana fritters or white chana vada. Very delicious and easy snack recipe, perfect for a tea time snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Soak 1 cup of white chana in water for 8 hours. Then drain off the water, clean wash it and keep it ready. Add the white chana to a mixer jar. To this add a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 5 garlic pods, 2 small pieces of ginger, 6 dried red chillies and half teaspoon of salt. Grind this to a coarse paste. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this add 1 onion very finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped and few coriander leaves chopped. Give all the ingredients a very nice mix. Now it's all nicely mixed, so pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then give it a slight press like this. Shape the edges and keep it ready. Likewise, make all the vadas. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the fritters one by one. Don't overcrowd. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 more minutes. Now both the sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious white chana fritters or white chana vada is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and healthy recipe. So do try this white chana fritters or white chana vada at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Grate 1 cucumber using a grater. Go with the tiniest grating blade you have. Grate only the fleshy part and leave behind the seeds. Now we have this ready. To a mixing bowl, add the grated cucumber, 1 onion thinly sliced, 1 green chilli chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, 1 cup of besan or gram flour, a tablespoon of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder and a pinch of asafoetida. Mix all the ingredients well with your hands. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of water and mix it well. You need to mash all the ingredients well so that the flavors of the onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves and the spices come together well. Now the ingredients have come together very well. Pull out a small portion and keep it ready. You need not make any shape. Pakoras are always shapeless. Heat some oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, fry the pakoras in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the pakoras are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Our delicious cucumber pakoda is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious, crispy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this cucumber pakoda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.